Hello guys, hope you are having all a good weekend. Today I'm going to analyze some of the cryptocurrencies. I will begin with the major ones. The first one is Bitcoin. As we can see from the daily chart, the price is moving within two areas. It comes at 31 and approximately at 65,000. So what we are going to do, we are going to look at everything from scratch here. So on the bigger picture, the price is just in a sideways movement, so it looks blocked within this area. The price is just making up and down. Sorry. So what we can see in this situation, if we refer to the previous structures, the price created this type of rising wedge, and after that broke out, retest, and it moved lower. When the price came to the lower part of the structure, we can see again another small wedge here. So what we saw after that is that the price continued the bullish movement that was aggressive. On the other hand, we had the price that when it came down up to 33,000, we can see that the price completed another wedge pattern. And look at how similar these patterns are with each other. We have one rising wedge on one side and one falling wedge on the next side. This was not only a pullback and after that the bullish movement as it did before. The actual situation is that the price is creating this type of flag, so probably we can see another movement down or another movement up. So the bigger picture looks like this overall, so it should continue moving higher. Let's clean it now and let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Our focus will be on this part of the structure. This is what we are looking at on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart we can see that our price is blocked within two areas. These areas are 45,000 and 37,000. We have also a middle area that is located close to 42. Look at what the price did in the past. We need to refer on the past. Price moved higher, moved down. We can see strong price reaction again here, and we had this movement. Actually the price broke out from the first structure, so I'm going to delete it because this was minor resistance, so it was expected, and we can see that the price made this pullback on the minor resistance. This is one of the analyses that I've actually shared. The price moved higher and now the price is moving within this channel, so we are having a bullish price development. What can happen in this situation? We can see two possible scenarios. The first one is that the price can break down from the channel and it can continue moving lower, and after that possibilities are very high that it can test 37 again. Don't forget that this was an area that the price did also before, and it is blocked within a 20% range from bottom to top at this point from February 22. So all of this period of time, we have almost 2 months in this area, the price is making this type of structure. But we can see that if price is going to break above the structure, definitely the next bullish movement should be this one. So the price should continue moving higher from this point. So what we need to do is only to focus on the upper part of the structure. So this is going to be very crucial for this trade. So a breakdown or break up again. For the time being, this is bullish, bullish, So we can't anticipate a bullish movement right now or a bearish movement, because the price can just come down at this channel, it can come down for a small correction as before, and it can bounce higher, or it can break down at this point. So this is just a decision point for the price, how it will continue. The next one is Ethereum. I'm going to delete one part of this. Look at the price, what is actually developing. It completed this harmonic pattern. It tested it twice. I have discussed this also before. It came for the second time, and it is moving higher right now. We are almost in the same situation. Just this is holding a bit stronger because Bitcoin is not showing the momentum to break higher. So for the time being, we need to focus only at this point. The next area that the price is going to test, if it will break above, just one moment, if the price is going to break above 3,300, so this is going to be the next crucial breakout. After that it will continue and to take the other areas, so up to 4,300. The next one, the major area, is this area here. So let's see how we are going to have this development, because if we break it down on the lower time frame, we are having almost the same price development also here. Look at how similar this is with Bitcoin right now, Ethereum. We have also a middle area, so the price can also make this scenario to come at this area and to continue on the upper side of the structure. So everything will depend how Bitcoin will develop right now. On the other side, I was watching also for this type of contraction. Look at the price. The price is actually losing momentum here. So if this falling momentum is going to break down from this type of wedge pattern that the price is creating, probably we can see the next move down again. It can be up to this point or probably lower. So it will depend if Bitcoin will break down from the channel. This is scenario for the bearish breakout for Bitcoin. Otherwise, we can see, as we have seen also these days, a bullish continuation movement without momentum, and it can continue higher. So focus on the breakout of 3,300. This is the most important part for this type of the structure. However, this is looking bullish for the time being. The next one is Binance USDT, Binance Coin, a very good coin in my opinion. This channel is very beautiful, how the price moved lower, we had the breakout, price is holding very good, we have double bottom as well at this area here. So it doesn't have too many things to explain at this point. It is just developing very well. The next target are the structure target, and if it continues higher. So let's see how this will move higher. I'm going to move on the 4-hour time frame for this one. This is holding the same bullish movement as Bitcoin. On the 4-hour we have this channel. The price is developing in this way. Also we have this structure that is holding strong. Look at where the price is already stopped. On the shadow here, look at the shadows. these are part of the structure, all these big structures. So these are going to be the first resistance area where the price need to break out. So it can continue or it can break lower as well by testing the previous structure low. So many of the pattern that we are going to see now is that they are creating this type of channels here. This is Ethereum Classic. It was an explosive movement from where it was shared as analysis. I closed at 36 at this point and it continued breaking higher. This is in line with the previous analysis that I have shared, that is in the group. The movement was very aggressive. I don't think that anyone expected this type of movement. So overall from the bottom at 26, this was approximately 90% movement. Look at the price measurement here. So it was a beautiful price development. Be careful with this one. They are going to burn some coins at the end of the month, if I'm not wrong, because I saw the announcement from the broker. So this is very good until now, and also according to the price development that we were expecting, because it was testing very low price targets. For the time being, this is not a buy at all because it's too high in price. The next one is EOS. Very good price development also here. As we can see, the price tested historical price levels at this point. On the past, the bullish movement have been 120%, so they are strong. 140, so we have very strong movements. I'm not calculating this because this is too much, it's more than 300. This wave here was 100, so minimum movement from this point we can have a 100 movement, 100%. It's a beautiful coin as well. Let's go on the lower time frame. We had this development also based on the bigger structure. From this point price moved almost 31%, 35%, let's say. It's too much. Let's see how the price will develop, because we can get this trade again. If Bitcoin is going to correct lower, probably we can see a bullish continuation pattern, probably at this moment, because the price didn't manage to move higher for the time being. So probably this is going to come lower again before we can see the next bullish movement. However, also this movement was aggressive as well. So we can see how it will develop, but it's very good. Qcoin. This is one of my favorite that I'm holding on my portfolio for a longer period of time. They offer also dividends, daily dividends. You don't have to block the coins at all. The price here is moving in a type of ascending channel, as we can see. What is very interesting at this coin is that price made the first wave correction. It was a type of flag here, triangle, it doesn't matter. Look at the pattern, ABC correction. We had another one, corrective pattern, another ABC correction as well, and after that we can see that price moved higher. We have another correction at this point. This is corrective movement as well. The price was stopped again. Look at this area. This were the first area here of support, and after that the price found support in a perfect way. This is a very perfect channel. And on the other hand, we can see that price broke out. It is creating a type of pattern in the same way how we did before. So probably we are in this movement right now. I'm going to make this in this way, and the next one is this part that is holding very strong. The candle here shows that we have a strong buy momentum at this point. So all of this area here is showing to be very strong, close to 17.6. The price is holding very strong at this area from February 22, from beginning of the February, sorry. So the next movement can be the same also here. Price made an ABC, and the next movement can be higher. It will be confirmed until when the price will break above the structure, and it will continue with the upper part of the movement. So let's place a price there. As we can see, the price should break above 21 in order to continue with the bullish movement. The bullish movement, the first target should be here at 27, and the next one the top of the pattern again. So it depends, it may come somewhere here, or it may develop in a different way, and it may come on another part of the structure. So it depends how the wave will develop. So also KuCoin has a very good price development. So it was holding this this coin. Now this is MATIC. As we can see from the chart, we have a very strong support area. The support area is close to 1.34. I'm going on the 4-hour for MATIC. This is how it can be seen better. Price is moving in this rising ascending channel here. Look at the channel, it's very beautiful, a very perfect channel. What the price is doing is the same situation. It can continue moving higher, or it can break lower. However, as long as the price is within the channel, we don't have to anticipate the bearish movement. The bearish movement happens, increase the chances, let's say, only if the price will break down from the channel. Until that moment, it can keep moving higher, and it can also create something strange with a high momentum, and this will not be a channel anymore but the beginning of something else. So very beautiful price development. On the 1 hour, this is looking a bit aggressive, how it moved lower. This is building momentum. If the price is going to break above this point, 1.6, probably we can see it testing the top again, and after that refer to the top of the channel, how it can develop. Tron is one of the altcoins that we shared on the group as well. It performed very well. So look at the structure. I'm letting this only on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that price broke out from this wedge here. We saw several retests of the structure. Look at how price created these structures here. So these are all structure areas, and after that the price continued higher from the lower point. It was a very beautiful movement from the bottom. When it tested several times, it was a 15% movement. Up to our target it was 12%, 10%, it depends when you open your trade, but it was very good, and it has the potential to continue moving higher. Is the only one from what I have seen today that is not creating a type of leg, but this is creating a type of movement that it is looking a bit better and more aggressive overall. Also Stellar in a very beautiful channel. Look at the price. What we can see is that we had a very nice falling wedge pattern. Price broke out. We have a strong support area that we can see at this point. Let's break it down on the 4-hour time frame. Same scenario also here with Stellar. Price broke out of the structure, so look at this point. This is more beautiful than the other ones, and the price can continue also here by moving higher from this point. However, the big trade will be on the upper side. Even if you see any type of breakdown, probably it can correct and it can continue moving higher. So just be careful with the shorts. The price here is just accumulating bullish momentum at this point. And the next one is XRP. This is showing very good price development. Also, they had a contract with the Canadian government, the news that I shared. On the 4-hour time frame, the price is moving within this triangle pattern. A breakout from the pattern, we need this breakout, will increase the chances for a stronger bullish movement, that it should go up to the first structure. Look at the first structure is 0.91, almost 10% up. So this is creating a very good trading scenario for the short-term trading. Just look at the triangle here. Okay, so I think that was all for today. I wish you to have a very good weekend ahead. See you on Monday. Bye bye.